quickly just talk about the pots and pans, because this looks like a really neat thing to add to your kitchen.
Yeah, it is. This is by Swiss Diamond, superior nonstick cookware. The benefit of the product is, and they basically coat it with 240,000 little more particles of diamond. So the diamond is actually part of the pan. Wow. And you can see with the manufacturing process here what they do. But the beauty of all this is that you're getting a product that is made basically different than anything I've ever found. Really very, very unique. And you can see the spray. Now some of the pans, look, pancake.
Perfect.
Right? This shows how the manufacturing process begins and ends. See the 3 different colors?
Yeah.
So that kind of gives you a show. And also, by the way, too, this is cool. Look at this. This is a omelet pan, Japanese omelets. Look how they're made. They kind of almost look like a bread pan. That neat?
Oh,
and by the way, too, cookware, it's important that you basically use the right utensils.
Right.
And especially
so you don't scratch the surface.
Exactly. And made by Swiss Diamond.
Fantastic.
SwissDiamond.com.
Thank you so much, Dr.
Welcome,
Frank.
guys.
So many neat things that we can use at our house. For more on everything Dr. Frank showed us today, go to PittsburghTodayLive.com. We have it